Hey y'all, in this video, I will show you how I created this Scandinavian style kitchen in Blender. Let's begin. Start by creating the walls of the room, then add a cube and change the height using the blue cube. Make it bigger by clicking S. For this room I decided to make a more rectangular shape. Copy and paste and create the walls. Rotate by clicking R then X and type 90. To rotate it by 90 degrees, select the front view and put the wall in the correct position. Select the wall. Press Tab. Press 3 to select faces. Select the top face. Press G and drag down to lower the wall slightly. Tab out. Copy and paste the wall. Press R then Z and rotate the wall 90 degrees. Select the front view and put the wall in the correct position. Tab in. Select the side face and bring it to the same length as the floor. Tab out. Add a cube and change its size to create kitchen cabinets.
Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass that to even one, so I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please
Copy and paste the cube to create different types of furniture.
to lie and show you life? The songs and misdirection to us and gives you life. So step back in line. So now step back in line. So now step back in line.
Copy and paste the first cube. Change the height to make it thin and create the countertop. Place it above the cabinet and make it slightly longer so that it protrudes from the cabinet. Copy and paste and create the furniture for the other wall, like this.
There's no more left to see.
After you have something like this, create the kitchen island. Simply copy and paste and place it in the center of the room and change the size. Copy and paste the island and create the sofa. Modify the height and dimensions. Copy it and move it up to create the cushions. Change the height. Tab in, press Ctrl+R and add some loop cuts, like this. tab out. Add the mirror modifier. Select the base as the reference object and activate the y-axis. Select the pillow, tab in, select these two faces, press E and drag up. Now select the back face, press E and drag up. Tab out. Ctrl+A and apply all transformations, tab in, press A to select all, press Ctrl+B to add a bevel effect, scroll with the mouse wheel to add loop cuts, tab out, shade smooth. Apply all transformations also to the base, go top left, click on object, set origin and select origin to geometry. Now adjust the mirror modifier by activating the x-axis and deactivating the y-axis. Select the base, tab in, click Ctrl+B to add a bevel, tab out, shade smooth. Add a cylinder, change the dimensions and move it close to the base of the sofa to create the supports. Add a subdivision surface to the sofa and make it a little bigger. Select the cylinder and add a mirror modifier. Select the base as a reference object. Activate the X and Y axis. Now let's go back to the island. Select it, tab in, add loop cuts by pressing Ctrl+R. To add loop cuts, use the mouse wheel. To move them to the sides, press S and X. Select the middle face, press E and drag inwards. Select the kitchen hood, tab in, add a loop cut by pressing Ctrl+R and place it like this. Select the faces, right-click and select Extrude Faces along normals and drag outwards, tab out. Select one of the cabinets, tab in, select the face in front and press I. Now add some loop cuts by pressing Ctrl+R and place them like this. Now select the top face and press I again. Select one of the surrounding faces, then holding down Alt, press again so that it selects the other surrounding faces. Press E and drag inwards. Add another loop cut in the center. Select the loop cut and press Ctrl+B to expand it. Press E and drag inwards. Do the same procedure with the lower part of the cabinet. Delete the cabinet on the other side and replace it with the one we just modified. Create the countertop for the lower cabinet by copying and changing the height, like this. Do the same procedure as before. Also on this cabinet, select the front face, press I and create a smaller face. Press Ctrl+R to add loop cuts. Select the loop cuts and press Ctrl+B to expand them. With the face selected, press E and drag inwards. Select the top two faces, press I. Then select the surrounding faces, press E and drag inwards. Select middle loop cuts, press Ctrl+B and expand. Select faces, press E and drag in. For this last part of the cabinets, delete the old ones and replace them with those already modified. Let's add a small modification to this cabinet. Select it, tab in, go to X-ray view mode, select all the lower part, press G and Z and move it upwards. Now select the two faces on the bottom. Press E and drag up to the height of the other cabinet. Select the two faces in front. Press I and create a smaller face, then press E and drag inwards. For the bottom cabinet, add loop cuts like this. And as you did before, select the loop cuts, press Ctrl+B to expand them, and then pressing E, drag them inward.
While it's all on the table, I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show it too. Not different from anyone, not better, but I wish I was. Just give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them everyone. Not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass that to even one. So I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me? 'Cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The songs that misdirect into what sells and gives you life. So I'll step back in line. So now I'll step back in line. So now I'll step back in line.
Now create some stools. Add a cube and change the dimensions until you get a small rectangle. Tab in, add to loop cuts, select the central face, activate proportional editing, press G and drag the face down to make it slightly curved, tab out, press Ctrl+A, and apply all transformations, fix the origin, tab in, press A to select all, press Ctrl+B to add a bevel, tab out, add a subdivision surface and shade smooth, adjust the height. Now create the base of the stool. Press Shift+A and go to the curve section, add a Bezier curve, select top view, tab in, select one end of the curve, press R and adjust the rotation to make it straight. Remember to disable proportional editing, tab out, rotate the curve, and change its size and position. Tab in, select one end, and press E to create a new point, place it like this. Select the other end, press G, and move it upwards and outwards, then adjust the rotation by pressing R. Press E to create a new point, and place it like this. Select these two ends, right-click, and select Make Segment. Select the front view, and check that everything is aligned. In my case it wasn't, so I select the point, and move it to align with the other, then select the lower part, and move it outwards, then press R, and adjust the rotation, tab out. Open the Object Data Properties panel in the Bevel section, increase the depth value. Adjust the general look of the curve if you are not satisfied with how it turned out. If you want to be more precise when changing the depth value, hold Shift and drag the value to the right or left. When you're satisfied, copy it and place it on the other side. Press R and type 180. Add another curve and place it like this. Select these two points, right-click, and select Subdivide to create a new point between the two selected points. Align the new point with the leg of the stool. Select the edge, and with the top view, adjust the position, like this.
While it's on the table, I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show it too. Not different from anyone, not better, but I wish I
Same procedure on the other side.
And I'll say them from everything I've seen. There's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my
Add one last curve and make it straight.
and I'm not the only one. And I hate
Change the
to
size and place it like this.
so I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me? 'Cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The song's a misdirection to
Copy and paste. Place it on the other side. Now select all, selecting the top of the stool last. Press Ctrl+P and select Keep Transform. Now selecting the top part, you can move the whole stool together. Place the stool under the island and adjust the size to your liking. Select all elements, copy and paste and place them next to each other. To create cabinets handles, add a cube, change the size until you get a small rectangle and position it like this. Then copy and paste for all other cabinets. Meanwhile, I remind you that you can buy this 3D model and many others on Gumroad. You can find the link in the description. For the fridge handles, add 2 loop cuts, bring them to the ends, select the 2 faces and press E to extrude. Now create the sink on the island, add a cube and change the size like this. Select the island and in the modifier panel select Boolean. With the dropper, select the cube we have just created. Then in the panel, click the little arrow and select apply. Now you can select the cube and delete it. To create the faucet, add a cylinder and place it in front of the sink, like this. Then copy and paste the cylinder to create the other parts. Now add a curve, make it straight. rotate it 90 degrees and bring it over the cylinder we created earlier. Select the curve, tab in. Select the end, press G and Z, and move it downwards. Press E to create a new point, and place it like this. Press E again, rotate and place this new point like this. Now increase the depth value in the Object Data Properties panel, then keep editing until you're satisfied.
While it's all on the table, I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show it too. Not different from anyone, not better, but I wish I was. Just give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them. From everything I've seen, there's no more mystery. All there is seeing it.
For the hob, add a cube and create a thin rectangle. Place it on top of the countertop. Add a bevel modifier and a subdivision surface.
Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass that to even one, so I contradict myself.
For the oven, copy a handle from the fridge, rotate it first on the Z-axis, and then on the Y-axis. Place it like this. Select the furniture, tab in, select the loop cut, press Ctrl+B, then press E and drag inwards, tab out. Adjust the position of the handle. Add a cylinder, change the sizes and bring it close to the oven, rotate it, and place it like this. Copy and paste, place them next to each other. Now let's do the floor. Add a cube, change the sizes and place it like this. When you're satisfied with the shape, bring it close to one side, copy and paste it. For the last plank, select it, tab in, select the side face, press G and X and drag it back. Copy and paste this row, move it to the side and a little higher, to make the plank staggered. Add the missing piece of plank, like so.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy instead. You take up all the energy I have inside. And
When you're satisfied, select all the planks, and press Ctrl+J to join them. Now add the array modifier, brings the value of X to 0, and increases the value of Y, then increases the number of counts. For the splashback, add a cube, change the size, move it close to the wall, give it a rectangular shape. When you're satisfied with the shape, copy and paste, create a row. Copy and paste the row you just created, and move it to the side and slightly up, copy and paste again, and move it higher. Select all, press Ctrl+J to join them. Add the array modifier, change the distance and increase the counts. Copy and paste, and move it to the other wall. Adjust the number of counts. Fix the extra tiles as we did for the floor. Let's do the last element of the room, the sofa pillows. Add a cube and let's change the sizes. Tab in, press Ctrl+R, and add some loop cuts to both sides. Go to the Physics Properties panel and select Cloth, activate pressure, and increase the value. In the Field Weights section, bring the gravity value to 0. Press the spacebar to activate the animation. When you are satisfied, apply the cloth, add a subdivision surface. Now place the pillows on the sofa. Copy and paste and create more. Place them next to each other. Now make other pillows with different shapes.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside, and I can't find a way to just ignore it.
Finally, add a plane and create the background. Now add textures.
'Cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page, deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So I drink up my coffee, harder iced, to get me through another lonely night. I wanna fall asleep, but I shouldn't fall asleep this time. 'Cause lately I've been sleeping way too much. 'Cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you.
Lately you've been counting way too many sheep, way too tired to even see that we don't last just in your dreams. Oh, every morning I wake up wishing that you would see. Oh, 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 you know I fall asleep too early and you're sleeping way too late. How I wish that we can meet up in the middle of the day. But till then I guess I'll see you in my dreams, dreaming of the moment when you're here right next to me. Oh,
Lately I've been sleeping way too much.
Oh, way
'Cause
too
baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true.
oh boy, just wake up and I'll make it true.
But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you.
Here is the final result. Find all my 3D models on Gumroad. Bye.